to thank all of you for joining us today for our first European Jobs and Skills Summit with the Institute for Public Policy Research.
It stood for health, education and jobs.
And it's a great pleasure to be here and in this great auditorium of thought filled with an enormous amount of brain power.
And it creates an economy that generates more tax revenue, making it easier to cut our debts and to fund essential public services.
And we must tackle this as a country and with businesses too. Not just because it makes economic sense, but for social justice reasons as well.
Britain has this long-running problem of low productivity and low investment.
There's a wallet that they've got that knows how much money you've got in your bank account. So the beginning of the month, just after payday, opens really easily. But by the end of the month, when you've run your account down, it's really tough. Wearable computing is coming faster, certainly than I want.
Is if you want to grow and scale a company quite quickly, apprenticeships are a fantastic way to do it.
We do it because right to the core of our mission and in our mission statement, the first words are to serve society.
Thank you very much to the IPPR and to JP Morgan for hosting this summit.
It's been some very interesting and stimulating talk. We did get a little bit of party politics, but that's only to be expected with an election in the offing.
Interested in finding out a lot more about how other countries work, how we can better work in this country, and how kind of people who are involved in business and in skills, in vocational training and in education in this country, how we can all work together.
It was good to hear from Participle today. Really good to hear from Catch 22 and sort of get the perspective of people who actually use their programs as well.